I like healthy food. I like healthy food. I eat 3 meals a day. I eat 3 meals a day. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. Breakfast is important. Breakfast is important. I drink milk daily. I drink milk daily. I like tea in the morning. I like tea in the morning. I eat fruits every day. I eat fruits every day. Fruits are good for health. Fruits are good for health. I like fresh vegetables. I like fresh vegetables. Vegetables keep me healthy. Vegetables keep me healthy. I cook food at home. I cook food at home. Home food is healthy. Home food is healthy. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I carry lunch to work. I carry lunch to work. I eat rice for lunch. I eat rice for lunch. I eat bread sometimes. I eat bread sometimes. I like simple food. I like simple food. I avoid junk food. I avoid junk food. Junk food is unhealthy. Junk food is unhealthy. I drink enough water. I drink enough water. Water keeps me fresh. Water keeps me fresh. I feel hungry now. I feel hungry now. I feel full now. I feel full now. I eat slowly. I eat slowly. I chew my food well. I chew my food well. I enjoy my meals. I enjoy my meals. I eat with my family. I eat with my family. Family meals are nice. Family meals are nice. I like hot food. I like hot food. I like warm drinks. I like warm drinks. I eat snacks in the evening. I eat snacks in the evening. I like homemade snacks. I like homemade snacks. I eat dinner at night. I eat dinner at night. Dinner is light. Dinner is light. I do not eat late. I do not eat late. Late eating is unhealthy. Late eating is unhealthy. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. Clean hands are important. Clean hands are important. I use a spoon to eat. I use a spoon to eat. I drink water after meals. I drink water after meals. I like sweet food. I like sweet food. I eat sweets sometimes. I eat sweets sometimes. Too much sugar is bad. Too much sugar is bad. I control my diet. I control my diet. I choose healthy options. I choose healthy options. I eat outside sometimes. I eat outside sometimes. I visit restaurants on weekends. I visit restaurants on weekends. I read the menu carefully. I read the menu carefully. I order simple food. I order simple food. The food tastes good. The food tastes good. I enjoy new dishes. I enjoy new dishes. I try new food sometimes. I try new food sometimes. I like traditional food. I like traditional food. Traditional food is tasty. Traditional food is tasty. I eat on time. I eat on time. Eating on time is healthy. Eating on time is healthy. I follow good habits. I follow good habits. Good habits improve health. Good habits improve health. I feel energetic after eating. I feel energetic after eating. I avoid overeating. I avoid overeating. I listen to my body. I listen to my body. I stop eating when full. I stop eating when full. I like balanced meals. I like balanced meals. Balanced food is important. Balanced food is important. I eat protein-rich food. I eat protein-rich food. Protein gives strength. Protein gives strength. I eat vegetables daily. I eat vegetables daily. Vegetables give vitamins. Vegetables give vitamins. I care about my health. I care about my health. Health starts with food. Health starts with food. I feel good after healthy meals. I feel good after healthy meals. I am careful about my diet. I am careful about my diet. I enjoy cooking sometimes. I enjoy cooking sometimes. Cooking is a good skill. Cooking is a good skill. I learn new recipes. I learn new recipes. I cook simple dishes. I cook simple dishes. I prepare food with care. I prepare food with care. Clean food is safe. Clean food is safe. I store food properly. I store food properly. Fresh food tastes better. Fresh food tastes better. I avoid wasting food. I avoid wasting food. Food waste is bad. Food waste is bad. I respect food. I respect food. Food gives energy. Food gives energy. I feel thankful for food. I feel thankful for food. I eat peacefully. I eat peacefully. Peaceful eating is good. Peaceful eating is good. I enjoy every bite. I enjoy every bite. I finish my meal happily. I finish my meal happily. I clean the table after eating. I clean the table after eating. I follow healthy habits daily. I follow healthy habits daily. Healthy habits build a good life. Healthy habits build a good life. I teach good habits to others. I teach good habits to others. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I improve my lifestyle. I improve my lifestyle. Food affects my health. Food affects my health. I choose wisely every day. I choose wisely every day. I stay healthy and happy. I stay healthy and happy. Thank you for practicing today. Thank you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode.